Think about your computer. It is strong, yet it still adheres to the decade-old rules. It has long been the desire of scientists to have a machine that does not only go faster, but utilizes the basic physics of the universe. This week, we are much closer. Google has made an enormous quantum breakthrough that transforms the experiment into a craziness to something that can be useful in the real world. The story is hype, and the design is smooth. Google has published its latest quantum chip, Willow, and combined it with a special program known as quantum echoes. They put a very difficult problem of physics to the quantum system. The outcome? Willow had it fixed in a bit more than 2 hours. Willow was 13,000 times faster than the fastest classical supercomputer, which would have required approximately 3.2 years to solve the same problem. That's like 13,000 times faster. As you recall, in 2019, Google announced reaching quantum supremacy. It received much publicity, by which critics claimed it was a one-sided race on a special track that not many people were bothered with. It is a different challenge now. It is regarding verifiable quantum advantage. It implies that we can prove the fact that the quantum speed is real. What this win demonstrates is 2 things. 1. The findings are useful in real science and not mere theory. 2. The answer can be checked by other quantum computers. This is a big turning point. It implies that we will cease to boast of the speed and place our faith in quantum computers to resolve actual issues. In order to understand the importance of this, it would be helpful to review the basics. A standard PC employs bits or light switches that are either in the on position or in the off position. Quantum computers make use of qubits. Due to quantum regulations, a qubit could be both on and off simultaneously. This is referred to as superposition. A few qubits connected with each other can simultaneously examine all possibilities. A quantum computer does not search a large maze through a hallway at a time, but searches all hallways jointly. This is why it is much faster. But qubits are fragile. They should be colder than the outer space, and they should be soundless. Even minuscule energy or vibration causes them to lose their magic, and they change into regular bits. It is why the new quantum echoes algorithm is important. Imagine attempting to chart a cave which is hot and noisy. On screaming, you will get a mixed-up echo and lose the message. Quantum echoes is a method which removes the noise so as to obtain a clear result. The procedure is as follows. 1. Measure the initial measurement. 2. Introduce a little bit of noise that has been selected carefully. 3. Turn backward and play the reading. A strong, clean signal is the out-of-time order correlator. It is by a very prudent comparison of forward and backward runs, and observing the way those cancel. This is the secret of a verifiable answer, despite the presence of noise. The quantum system justifies its own result. But then, what does a definite, verifiable quantum calculation do you get? It allows you to learn the intricate aspects of molecules. All things in the real world, including drugs, batteries, new materials, etc., are dependent on quantum physics. Even a large model consisting of a few dozen atoms cannot be accurately modeled by even the best classical supercomputers. They can only guess. Willow is now a very fine molecular ruler which is able to model the interaction of atoms with a high degree of accuracy. This is enormous to such fields as drug discovery. Researchers are able to model the ways in which a new drug engages with a virus or a cell, accelerating the creation of medicine. Material science. The engineers are able to come up with improved battery chemistry or new materials by identifying the most appropriate atomic structures. This quantum leap is a giant leap to utilizing quantum power to tackle real-life problems that were previously impossible. This is a big win, although this is not the finish line. It's just the beginning. The second objective is to transition to the logical qubits. A logical qubit is an ideal quantum system constructed out of a large number of messy physical qubits. Scientists increase the number of qubits to detect and correct errors in order to make it error-free. The result is a fault-tolerant quantum computer, which is able, and does, perform enormous tasks in days without failure. This victory using quantum echoes gives Google momentum and the demonstration that their hardware is functional and that the technology of error correction is functional. Quantum computers will not be a new phenomenon in scientific and industrial laboratories in the future. The actual verifiable advantage of this speed jump is a true breakthrough in the history of computing. It is a milestone that is worth observation. My name is Joe, and you have been reading about Quantum Quirks.